Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert Hierarchy SmartArt in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now we insert the Hierarchy SmartArt. At first, go to the home menu, select the new slide option, choose the blank slide, then go to the insert menu and select the SmartArt option. We can see here open a window. Now we can see here many SmartArt like list, process, cycle, hierarchy, relationship, matrix, etc. Now I am select the hierarchy. We can see here many hierarchy SmartArt. You can choose anything. Now I am select the hierarchy and click OK. Now we can see we add hierarchy SmartArt very easily. You can add a text. Click inside the text box and add any text. Now I am write some text. Otherwise you can add the color. Go to the SmartArt design menu, select the change color option and choose any color. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.